Come here. Hurry, come here. Come here, you can't, gotta get your jacket. Look at that big red flare. Right there. It's coming right over. I'm gonna go out here so I can get it. There it is. That's awesome. That's SpaceX rolling out.
Whoa.
It is hauling booty about 15,000 miles an hour.
No, it's not.
That's how fast they go when they take off.
That's slow.
15,000 miles an hour.
Look how slow it's going.
It's not going slow. Now, when he breaks through the atmosphere, where'd he go? Usually, when he breaks through the atmosphere, you'll see a big boom. Oh, there it is over there. Very, very little. The rocket boosters or something must have fell off because the fire stopped. But I can still see a little red dot. Cannot see it on this camera, but can you see the little red dot still?
Yeah.
Let's see what it does if it breaks the atmosphere or anything else. Sometimes you'll see a cool rainbow effect circle. Still going around. Pick it up just a little bit right there. Now watch when he gets up. Still going, little red dot. What you see is that fire. You can see him cutting through the atmosphere. See how it's got like a little wave behind it? He's cutting through the atmosphere.
Why is it going in space this late at night?
Well, they're supposed to be putting up some satellites that are supposed to help with some technology. And
Where do you even take off at?
Cape Canaveral, way down that way, about 200 miles south, down 95. Hold on, I'm not done. I want to see if it goes boom. You go in the house, I'll show you the video.
Listen to it inside.
I don't think it's on the news. It might be later on. See the big old red
Yes, let's go.
wave behind it? You go in the house before you get sick. Go.